Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to view blocked list on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Go to your profile. Tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner. From the menu, tap on the settings option. Now tap on privacy. Scroll down, and look for blocked accounts. Once you find the options, tap on it. And you will see the list of the users you have blocked. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you are able to view the blocked list on Instagram. If you like our video then, don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.